Open any browser like Google Chrome. Open or search bsrs.tesda.gov.ph. Click TESDA BSRS. Enter your login name and password and click Sign In. Scroll down below and click the third icon. And click Enroll to a program. In the TESDA administrative location, click Region, click Province, and click the city or municipality. Click Filter and look for the course you'd like to enroll for. Or click the plus sign on the RQM column. Click Register and click Register Now. Scroll down below and click for your highest educational attainment. For the classification, just click the Displaced Workers and click Proceed for Enrollment. Thank you.